how to install custom fonts in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So in Google Docs you will have you have the font list. You can find here, like, go to the this font option, go to the more fonts. You can see the all fonts here which Google Docs have. Okay, you can also add script from here. There is a all font. You can change the setting from here. If you want to see the all font, you can just, you need to enable it. Okay, you can also sort as a popularity alphabetically or date it, add it. Okay, if you want to check the new font, you need to just click on this date, add it. The new font will become up and you can see. So by default is a popularity. So popularity, font will become up, and others are, you can scroll down and you can check out. Okay, but still if you want to install the custom or more font, so I use the one extension called, will show you. Just go to the extension, go to the add-ons, go to the get the add-on, and just search for extensive fonts. This is the add-on which I use for custom fonts. Just click on this extension and go to the install and give the you know require access to this to install on your Google Docs. So it will be installed like this. Okay, so it takes a few seconds. Okay, so it is done now. Click done, and just click OK. Now just come to the extension, and the extension you can see here, extensive font, and go to the start here. It will start working, and you can see the all fonts. You can change the, if you want to see the all font, you need to just select the all font. You can see the all fonts here. Okay, you can see, just select the font and you can start writing. Okay, you need to refresh it. Go to the extension, start. Okay, we need to just select the all text, and you can start writing like this. Okay, first write any text, then select it, then select the font from here, and you can continue to write with your desired text, also desired font style. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.